back to this video from Learning Environment with Kari. So we at Ancestral. We got Kareem right here. We got Kareem right here, guys. Yay! That is it, my cousins, guys. So make sure to subscribe. Alright. Good. Good for you, bro. I am from Jamaica. So if there's anybody that's not from the country, put it in the comments and let us know. Yeah. So guys, welcome back to another video. So my name is Shaker Pringle and I have this channel. It's only my cousin's channel, guys. Look. Guys, I'm going to show you what. Look, just run, man. Run, guys. I want somebody to give me some views, please. Just subscribe this video, please. I'm begging you. Guys, I want to say thank you for 8 subscribers. It's not enough, but we are grateful. Thank you, guys. It's not a lot, but it's not enough. Yeah. So, here's Miss Sophie. Yeah, that video. So, we just pick up the camera and we just in IKEA right now with Uncle Damien, Kadin right here. Kadin, where is you? Kadin? I dare wish about my Kadin here. Yeah. Okay. Let them so they might go somewhere, so guys. So we'll go peace out this.